Lesson 55 today, nets of prisms, cylinders, pyramids, and cones. We're going to continue trying to turn three-dimensional objects into two-dimensional pictures. So here we go. The surfaces of what geometric solid are represented by this net? In other words, if we cut these pieces out and made them into a three-dimensional figure, what would they be? This is a cone. Okay, hopefully you can see it here. This circumference of this circle is equal, or it's meant to be equal, don't judge my drawing here, is equal to the arc of this semicircle, okay? And it would wrap all the way around here, and we would have the vertex up here for the point if we cut that out. Okay, so that's a cone. Let's sketch a net for this cube. Okay, a net for a cube shouldn't be a big deal for us, because the nice thing about a cube is every single face is equivalent. So I could draw any one side, and then to that I'm going to attach the exact same square. Okay, that would be the lateral surface area right here. It's the front, the right side, the back, and the left side unfolded. And then as far as the top and the bottom, I can basically put those anywhere I want. I can put them there. I could put one on top, and I could put the other one here. Doesn't matter, okay? Don't judge my bad drawing, but you know, it really doesn't matter. But when we fold this up, we'll have the lateral surface area here, we'll have the top, and we'll have the bottom. This pyramid is called a tetrahedron. All of its faces are congruent equilateral triangles. Draw a net for this pyramid. Okay, congruent equilateral triangles. So equilateral means that all three sides are the same length. So there's best I can do here, freehand drawing. All three sides are the same length. We have three 60-degree angles, by the way. And the other ones are congruent to this. So if this is the bottom, then we'd have the right side and the top and the left side, and there it is. And you can see how if we folded, grabbed the tip of each one of these outer triangles and folded it up to the top, we'd have this tetrahedron. Lastly, let's sketch the back, top, and right side views of this triangular prism. And then we're going to sketch a net for the figure and label the dimensions. Okay, so top. Okay, the top is this 6 by 5 rectangle. So we'll start with the top here. There's the 6 by 5 rectangle. Okay, now the back would be, I'm assuming, the 6 by 3 rectangle that we can't see, 6 by 3. So it's the same width, but it's a little bit shorter. Okay. So, you know, if I were to label these, and why not, this would be 6 by, what did we say, 5. And this one would be 6 by 3. Okay. And then the right side is that right triangle. Let's fix that. I made that a little bit too long because it should only be 3 high. Okay, so it's 3 high. That's 5, and there's its 4. Okay, so that's what we're looking at here. Okay, there's more sides that we could draw. We could draw the 4 by 6 rectangle that is along the bottom of this rectangular or triangular prism, but we're not being asked to. Here we go. Then we're going to sketch a net of the figure and label the dimensions. Okay, there's lots of different ways you could draw the net. I'm going to start off with the lateral surface area, though. So we've got a here's the 3 by 6 back. On top of that, or off the sides of that, I could put the right triangle. So there's the side that's 4, and the hypotenuse was 5, right? So since the 4 side of this triangle is right here, I'll draw the 6 by 4 rectangle that is the bottom of this prism off the top. And then we've got the hypotenuse, which is 5. So I'll draw my 6 by 5 rectangle off the bottom here. And there's other ways we could draw this, but you can see how if we fold this back up, I think we've got all sides accounted for. We've got back, top, and bottom. Back, bottom, and top, and then we got left side and right side, left side and right side. Everything's labeled correctly. Okay, very short lesson today. If you're a visual learner, you love it. If you're not a visual kind of drawing learner, then you probably hate it. I understand that. These are actually one of my weaknesses, but I just take extra time and make sure that I'm including everything and getting everything in the right order. So we'll see you soon.